ba?
Ayaw niya sa akin, si tinutulak niya ako. Pinamalapag sa kulisigit, ayaw niya.
Bakit? Cha, mamamumod yung sige, Cha.
Gusto ka that, CJ? What's that, CJ?
What's that, Primo? Oh, is that the tiger shark, Primo? Oh no, where is your tiger shark? Cha, yan yung binigay ni Primo kay CJ kanina, tiger shark. CJ, that's the tiger shark.
Oh, remote. Mag-rides ba tayo? Habang sa art.
Yeah, itlog. Bakit?
Is it done? No,
Kaya mo
Is that a beluga whale?
What does the beluga says?
Look, oh, it's coming here again.
They're feeding the beluga.
Puting-puting, no?
Yeah, the beluga. Oh no, it's the beluga, CJ.
Oh, it's coming here.
Yeah, it's coming, it's coming.
It's the beluga, CJ. The beluga. Now they're gonna give more fish. Oh, wow. Yeah, we're in the cart. See? It's gonna come back. You can see a beluga, you can see... I don't know if they have
It's
a
coming.
there. I think they have
Sarap naman ang trabaho ng ganyan, no? Sumulog ka? They're smiling. The beluga whale is smiling.
Beluga. Beluga. Training the beluga. Nakalikod?
Kaya nakakagaw din pala siya. Yung kaya
Kaya picture mo na kami kasi. Sit down, sit down.
Don't go down. The beluga is
Oh, see
coming.
who the beluga says.
See, it's coming here. Oh.
CJ, the beluga is here.
Uh-oh.
Yeah,
Is that a seagull? Is that a seagull? It's gonna try to steal the beluga's
see?
food.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh my god. See, Primo, they're playing. They're playing hide and seek.
Up and down.
Hide and
Up
seek.
and down. Oh! Toy.
Look, it's so funny. CJ, come look at the beluga. Look, the beluga say hi.
Say hi, oh.
Say hi. Hi.
Oh no! The
The
seagull!
seagull snatched it. The seagull snatched the beluga's food. You're silly seagull. Why did
Puti.
you? Opportunistic talaga tong seagull na. Uh-oh.
Ang ano ng IQ nila, no? Pagkita nila.
Yeah.
It's not nice.
Wow, the seagull took the beluga whale's food. Why did you take the beluga whale's food? See, look, it's gonna fly in here. Then it's gonna snatch the food. Uh-oh.
Why?
Ilang kilo kaya ang pinapakain nila daily?
Pero wala yan. Nakita mo yung orca, ganyan lang yung pinapakain. Pero di ba, kailangan ng orca, yung fats nila,
Yes.
di ba?
Beluga.
Ang calories ang kailangan nila. Oh, it's coming to you, Primo.
Hi, beluga. Say hello. Mga mga aso lang dito, pag may nagagawa sila na sleep, Primo.
Kasi pakita ko naman ko.
Okay, come. Wait,
Oh,
come,
otter
come,
naman
come.
to sa kabila. Si otter.
Come, Kuya Primo
Pwede
daw.
mo ito. Go with si Jay.
Baka lang yung otter, be careful.
Shy. Dapat nilalagyan. Oh, no. Oh. Touch nito.
Ano yun?
Real eyes. Wanna touch CJ? Touch ka na rin.
Kaya picture mo sila dalawa. Si Harry Beluga, Primo, look mo. Si G, look. Look, dance the Beluga. Oh, dancing.
Oh, look at the beluga with. One again. Yeah,
Balik
let's go.
tayo sa pagkain.
Oh, 50.
See the penguins?
CJ! CJ, where's the penguin? CJ, where's the penguin?
Hindi naman magkano siguro mga magulang.
See the penguins? Where's the baby penguin? Show me the baby one. Look at this one.
Look at the penguin. Ang taba, oh, ang taba sumasayaw. Kaya mo.
The two big one, oh. The two big one. Oh my God.
Pero bakit tawag dito na dinig? Oh my God, dinig ang parang penguin, no? Sino sa penguin?
Baka sa body clock nila.
No, what's wrong?